Welcome to the project demonstration of multiple transformer oil monitoring and controlling system with help of comparator. So this project is based on the purely electrical side without using any microcontroller or any embedded C language. Only with help of this LM358 comparator circuits, we are going to compare the reference temperature from this potentiometer we set and live temperature from this thermistor. By comparing these two, if the temperature is more than the set value, then automatically comparator will switch on the respective relay. So LM358 consists of two comparators, so left side and right side, and in that 1, 2, 3 pins for the comparator 1 and 5, 6, 7 for the comparator 2. In that 2 and 3 are the inputs and pin number 1 is the output from the LM358. Right, and then 5, 6, 7, 5 and 6 are the reference inputs as well as live temperature input, and 7th pin is the output. So output is parallelly connected to this LED indication, and the output is again connected to this two electromagnetic relays. So in our project the main inputs are temperature sensors. These two are sensors as a live temperature inputs to the LM358, and it will compare with the two reference voltages as like temperature references, and whenever the threshold crosses, these LEDs will be off. Parallelly, these two electromagnetic relays will off. So when the respective relay gets switched off, the load will not get the power supply from the input 230 volts. So in order to in that way we can protect the transformer. So the main power supply input is 230 volts AC inputs, that is parallelly given as input to the three sections. One is regulated power supply, another is load 2, and next load 1. So here the load 1 and load 2 get a power supply through these electromagnetic relays, which are acting as a switch between the input supply and the load. And this regulated power supply board consists of 4 stages: transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, rectification to convert the AC to pulsating DC, and filtration to remove the pulses and to provide the constant DC. But the operating voltage for LM358 and our temperature sensors is 5 volt. So we need to regulate that 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC by using 7805 regulator. So this board consists of those 4 stages. So once we provide the 5 volts the DC power supply to this board, so this is the breadboard which is used to distribute the 5 volts power supply to the relays and to the comparator board, and from there we are distributing that to the sensors directly. So let us see, coming to this relay board, as you can see the same one LED indication which will show the status of the relay, and transistor to control the relay. So the switching sequence is based on the abnormality. Our comparator will off the LED as well as same it will off the transistor. Transistor will off this relay will off this bulb from the 230 volts AC input. So that is the switching sequence. So let us see the demonstration. Just on the 230 volts input to this power cable, and based on the input reference from the temperature sensors, bulbs will getting on as a normal temperature. When I am increasing this temperature, so the respective bulb will get switched off. Parallelly this one also. And when the temperature is coming to the normal, so here these two temperatures will be placed inside the transformer so that they are continuously monitor the transformer oil. Whenever the heavy load was occurred on this transformer, then the coil's temperature will increase due to that heavy load, and that temperature will be cooled down by the transformer oil. If the load is continuously keep on increasing, so it may lead to transformer damage. Then we need to detect that temperature threshold values, and in order to protect the transformer from overload, we need to off the load to the transformer so that we can protect the transformer from the overload directly. Right. And again coming to temperature normal, these two will be get switched on. Right.